Okay, I have a gripe. Here's my gripe. Normally, I get onto my computer and look at YouTube more or less in the mornings. And I have to tell you, you guys, you've got it better than us women. I mean, after all, I see a video. Blunty just made a video about Star Trek versus The Next Generation, and I want to go answer him. However, that means I have to take off my nightgown because it's crummy, it's just comfortable to sleep in, and I'm not going to view myself or have you guys view me looking like that. Then I gotta make sure my hair is combed properly, put the makeup on. I just want to drink my coffee. Now, I'm not complaining, not your fault, but you guys really have it good. Now, how many times has it been when you have to go out in the evening and your girlfriend has to get ready? You know what we do to look good for you guys? You're talking about taking the bath or the shower, putting on makeup, making sure our outfits are perfect. This can take a long time. You, on the other hand, you just don't want a pair of clothes, jeans, t-shirt. It's not fair. However, every little once in a while, I think what you have to do for us women, just for us women, is tell us how nice we look. Because we really try so hard. Anyway, that's my gripe. That's my gripe. It's even true with YouTube. I sit in front of this camera and I want to make a video. I want to answer you, and I don't look right. I got to run into the bathroom and make sure the makeup is on, my hair is done, even though you can only see me from this part up. I guess this is Golda Rant. Anyway, you guys are great. Women, on the other hand, we have to work a little harder. That's it. Just had to mention all that. Take care, my friends.